Hi guys, welcome to Meet&Co Office Furniture. Today I'm excited to introduce the Eastern Workstation. The overall color scheme of this table is simple and modern. Each station is relatively wide, with locker above. There are folding beds below the design of storage. Can easily store their old items, but also to ensure a good rest. Very much in line with the needs of contemporary employees. Alright, let me show you how it works. Okay, it's time to end again. If you are interested in our products, welcome to contact us. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content and hit the notification bell to stay updated. See you next time.